Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we have got snack surprise. The girls love filming the snack boxes with me. Snack surprise is a monthly snack box. They do a mini box, an original box and a premium box. This is the premium box. I am sent this in PR to review, but we are always very honest with our reviews. I will leave all the links down below for you guys. But yeah, let's just jump in. We don't know what country it is. It's a different country every month. I'm just trying not to show our address. What country do you think it is today, girls?
I have no idea.
Just guess a country.
Australia.
Australia. What do you think? I think America.
Maybe America.
You got to pick your own one. 5, 4, 3,
I have no
2,
idea.
1 country. Any country.
Spain.
Spain, there you go. And it is Denmark. Ooh, Denmark. Okay, so this, Gary, is what we've got. I'm going to pop it over here so that I can pull stuff out and then we'll try it. Yeah, this is the little book and it gives facts about Denmark, and then you get the mini box, and then the original box is this one and this one, and then the premium box is this one and these ones. So I will try and remember to put it on the screen as we are going to see what one is from what box. The first thing we've got is called Kim's Tomat Skruer. Screws. It doesn't say that on there, but on here it says Kim's Ketchup Screws. They're tangy and crunchy, and this is the premium box.
Tastes a bit like hula hoops without the thing.
Yeah, they're nice. I wouldn't know it's ketchup. They just taste savoury. But like, look at the size of that bag. They're really good. Yes. Okay. These ones.
Potato or something.
Something original. Why can't I see you? Carletti, an old school Danish favourite. Soft nougat with peanut and chocolate. So these are good.
Peanut butter.
Oh, they're big.
Oh.
Bite one in half and have a bit.
Okay. Bite one half and give
Oh.
me the other.
Oh,
These are so good.
they're delicious.
You got a bigger bit.
You have that bit then.
Yeah.
They're really nice. Yes, those are the premium box as well. Palette cleanse. Right, we've got Haribo Star Mix. Oh, we're not going to open these because they have licorice in them, and we do not like licorice, and they will just be wasted. So these will go into a food bank bag. These are premium box, but they have licorice, so we're not going to open those. These are called Smash. OLW Smash. They look like bugles. Again, these are premium box. Crunchy corn covered in chocolate. Ooh, so it's like a crisp, but it's got chocolate on it.
Oh, they're big. You got. Here. Look at my one.
Oh my god, they're really good.
Oh, I got.
Just shove it in. Those are amazing. Really, I wasn't expecting to like those, but those are really nice. They've got like the salt, like a pretzel. When you get like a chocolate covered pretzel, those are delicious.
So good.
Wow. We've got a drink.
Is it fizzy?
Most of them are, babe. Fax Condi. This is usually from the original box. It says a subtle lemon flavour. It says it is similar to 7-Up but better. But I wouldn't know that that wasn't 7-Up if someone gave me that. It's not very fizzy.
Okay. Whenever you say that, it's so fizzy.
It's not.
It's like anything. Tastes like lemonade.
Mika doesn't like fizzy things.
Lemonade. Lemonade.
Uh-oh.
Oh, here comes Foxy.
What's the matter?
He's just being a Winchester. Nice to see you.
Hello.
Hey.
You okay?
Daddy put me on table.
Daddy put you on table while Mummy was filming?
Yeah.
Oh no! You want to try a snack?
Yeah. This one's
No, no chocolate.
One snack and then you're going to bed, okay?
They're so yummy. No, sorry girls, stop eating them. You like them?
Right, come on, bedtime.
Night night, little boy. See you tomorrow.
You're not read this.
We did read that, didn't we?
What?
You can read it with Daddy's phone.
Oh, Daddy's
You can.
Yeah. Read that.
Silly boy. You can. He's so tired.
Oh, mine did.
Oh no, you're dut-dut. Night night, little boy. What one are we up to? So yeah, Mika didn't like the drink. Right. We've got Kim's American Grill. These are mini box, and it says thinly cut ridge potato chips with a flavour of onion.
This one I have a tiny one. Good?
Yeah, just a bit salty.
Okay.
A little tiny bit of onion, but you like them, don't you?
Good.
She likes all onion crisps. Mmm.
Okay. Like crispy onions.
We do taste a bit of crispy onions.
I have no idea what.
Kim's Snacks. These are original box. They're from 1987 and they're ridged and delicious flavour. Ooh, they're not the colour I was expecting.
What are they? Ow. Orange.
They're so
Everyone's
crunchy.
so good. Everything's
Those
so
are delicious. Really good.
They
Oh, I like
taste
them.
like something I tried before.
Mm.
But I can't tell it.
They taste herby. I think they taste like the oregano crisps that we've had before.
Yeah, them.
They're really good. I like them. Lots of savoury stuff this time. I like that.
And
Next we've got Orange Stang. Oh, chocolate orange. This is original box. We love chocolate orange, don't we, girls?
Yeah.
Right, let's just break one off.
Big one.
Looks like a Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. Oh yeah.
Just tastes like chocolate orange. Yummy. Really good.
Chocolate orange. Bites.
Delicious.
What's in it, Pete?
Yep. Ari, I think this is a turtle. Let's have a look. It is the Tom's Skip Paddle or Turtle. Oh, it's got rum cream. You can't have it. Encased in a chocolate shell with rum cream and caramel filling. Ari loves turtles. That's really cute, but we're not going to eat that. I don't like the flavour of rum. Ben will eat that because he loves rum. But that will get wasted. Next, Bonbons. These look like they might have licorice in them again. What one are you? Is that them?
Yeah.
Yeah. These are sour and fruity.
Ooh.
But with a burst of strong salmiak. Let me Google that because I don't know what that is. Oh, it's licorice. Yes, we're not eating those. They look, you can tell because they're black sweets. Generally, when you've got like really dark sweets like this, it's going to be licorice. But again, it will just get wasted. There's no point in opening these because it's just a waste. So they will go in a food bag. They were premium box. Next, oh, we've got more licorice.
Oh,
Sorry, girls.
Licorice.
These are Tom's blending a mixture of soft licorice sweets. These are original box. They look like licorice all sorts. Have you tried licorice?
No.
Right, you can both try this one because I think Nana's coming tomorrow and she likes them.
I want one of them.
There you go.
I want a pink.
There you go.
Oh.
It's not often they have to go and spit something out. They are very good with trying things. I knew that was going to happen. That's what I'm like with licorice. Swap back again. So what did you think of the licorice? Yeah, they don't like licorice. And that's fine. Mummy doesn't like it either, but we'll let Nana have those. But we're not going to open any of the other licorice ones because now you've decided and shown everybody your faces that you do not enjoy licorice. Okay.
This
looks like banana.
Oh, banana. I don't like banana.
This is fluffy banana marshmallow covered in dark chocolate, original box.
Oh, I think I'll maybe like that. I like bananas. I don't like bananas. What's the shape of a banana? Like that? Kinda.
No, I'm not eating that.
I don't like banana.
No, smell it. What do you reckon? You're not sure?
Yeah.
Middle. Yeah, I don't want to eat that. That is very, very, very banana-y.
Oh.
We've got a gold bar. This is premium box. This reference to a quip that got chocolate bars may as well be bars of gold. So let's have a little look.
Gold. We're eating gold.
Oh!
It's melting. It's melting. Good.
It's got like some crunchy,
Nuts.
like dime bits in the middle.
No.
It's nice.
Yum.
Yeah.
Good. Hey, don't eat it all. Big packet of something.
This is the perfect bite-sized soft marzipan cakes.
Marzipan. Oh.
A sweet with an almond flavour covered in a cocoa chocolate thing. Now I don't like marzipan, but it says cake, so I love the flavour of almond, so we're going to try and see what we think. My granny, my gaga, she loved marzipan so much.
Put this over here. I'm not trying it. Can I?
Oh no, they're nice.
Oh, can I go?
Little bite.
I did just taste like cake.
Just tastes like almond cake. You know, like almond essence that Mummy puts in your porridge.
Yeah. Mmm.
Those are really nice.
It
Delicious.
tastes like cake.
Just tastes like cake. Yeah, they're really good. We like them. This one's called a flipper.
Flipper. I'm sorry, on my page. Other side.
Of a page.
There.
This is a marshmallow sweet and fruity dolphin.
It doesn't look like one.
It does look like a dolphin.
Can I see?
Oh, it smells good. I'm biting his nose off.
I
You want
know
to bite
one.
his butt?
Oh, I want to bite his butt. I'm biting his.
Yeah, it just tastes like a strawberry marshmallow. That's really yummy. I like that. We've just murdered the dolphin. That's really yummy. You like that? Yes. Right. We've got some golden toffees. These are mini box. So it says, this one has its own game. After eating one, try to flatten the wrapper and peel the golden part apart without folding it.
What?
What?
I don't get it.
Flatten the wrapper and peel the golden part without ripping it. So it looks like this. It looks like, oh, I can't remember what they were called, like a chocolate that was like it was something nut it was called when we were little. You'd get it in like the...
Nuts and butter.
No, that's Canada. Peel the gold part.
Then there must without, I think this must be something like in under it.
Oh, I got you. The gold part peels. But it says if you rip it, you have to have another one.
You need to eat
They
another
taste
one.
exactly the same as the sweet I'm thinking of when I was younger. I will Google it and try and put it on the screen, but they were... That's like a nostalgic taste of childhood. And there's loads of them in the bottom.
Oh. Just in case you need to eat another one. What's that? It's like a Tic Tac packet. Oh yeah.
They're gummies.
Gummy
Says-
bear.
They're Danish little sweeties.
Oh, they look cute.
Really chewy. I've had these before.
I didn't say what they look like.
You like it?
I've got on my teeth.
They're very, very chewy. Yeah? What flavour is yours?
Apple. Apple.
Yum.
I think apple or grape.
We've got a Yankee Mandel.
Swallowed it.
This is similar to a Three Musketeers bar. The Yankee bar was first developed right after World War II to give the American soldiers a taste of chocolate from home.
Chocolate. That looks good.
It's like a Mars bar.
Mars bar.
Tastes like a Mars bar. Good. Yeah. Next we've got a Plum Madeira dark chocolate biscuit. This is mini box as well. You guys can have a little bite of that each. This one is
gross inside.
it's just jam. You like it? It's plum. I didn't think either of you would like that. I just wanted to see if you try it. I don't like plum, so I don't want to try it. I'm so mean. Next up, we've got a Marzipan Bar. I'm not going to eat this one because this just is solid marzipan, and I know I don't like solid marzipan. So we will again put that in the food bank. And then the last thing we've got
It's something long.
is a Tivoli Stang candy stick with rhubarb flavour filling.
What's rhubarb?
It's a fruit.
Oh, it looks like electric cable.
Little bite. Little bites now that they're terrified of eating something gross.
Tastes like electric cable.
Yeah. You could say I'll give you £1 million to tell me what the flavour is, and I wouldn't be able to had I not already known.
Cherry?
No, it's rhubarb.
Yeah.
It just tastes like jam, but it's nice. I like
No, it
that.
isn't jam, it's electric cable.
Right, so what was your favourite thing?
I think...
Yeah, they were really good.
And these ones.
And those were really good, yeah. Ari just likes all the crisps, don't you?
I like the dolphin.
The dolphin was good.
I
The
do
marzipan
really.
cakes were really nice.
The dolphin.
And I really like these. There's not a lot of dolphin left. It's just...
I just bit his whole head off.
So yeah, that was the box. Let me know what you think. It's bedtime soon. You can't have any more. One more of them. Yeah, we can go and play Uno. Yeah, let me know what you think. That was the box. Thanks so much for watching. We love you. Bye. What is that face? Say bye.
Bye.